I swear, Emily and Nicole are fixture names. They are not girls. Hello, this is Floyd Chapman with CTAC Lighting and Controls, and I'm here today to talk to you about Picasso Lighting. Picasso is an architectural and custom lighting manufacturer based out of New York. They do a variety of products, from task lighting to large pendants to acoustic solutions to illuminated ceilings. Today's focus will be on two smaller linear products, named the Emily and the Nicole. I'm really excited about the Emily and Nicole from Picasso because they made a strip, not just a strip. Yeah, this looks like a normal strip, but there are some features here that make this strip not just a strip. For one, the magnetic end caps, which are retained, so you're not going to lose these if you're messing with something up on a ladder. And the snap-in lens that either slides out or snaps in. And one of my favorite pieces, the removable gear tray, making maintenance so easy. With quick disconnects, you can easily change out a driver gear tray in a matter of seconds, snap in the lens, put on your magnetic end cap, and you are back in business. The Nicole and Emily can either be surface mounted or suspended and is available from 1 foot to 12 foot increments. The acrylic lens is fully luminous with zero dotting. Both fixtures offer end caps milled for eliminating light leaks that can either be magnetic or with screws. Both fixtures offer quick connects and a joiner if you're looking to have continuous runs. If you really want to have some fun, you can use their T, L, X, or 45-degree joiners to create some very interesting patterns. Yep. Picasso's Emily and Nicole are very efficacious at 120 lumens per watt and have lumen packages ranging from 350 lumens per foot to 1,000 lumens per foot. Color temperatures are available in a range of 2700 Kelvin to 4000 Kelvin and CRIs of 80 or 90. You need tunable white? That option is there as well. There's an option for an integral sensor at the end of the fixture to help you get past those code restrictions. Standard finishes are white, black, and silver. The 10 anodized finish can be smooth or brushed and have vibrant colors like blue, gold, champagne, or red, as you see here. The plated option is a clear mirror in either chrome, brass, or gold. This is chrome. You want more finish options? Picasso can do wood. 13 wood option finishes are available from bamboo to cherry to walnut. Pick a tree. So where can you use the Nicole and Emily? Well, just about anywhere. Think of vanities, retail, grocery, office spaces, or anywhere that you have a need for a strip, but it's in the public view. Thank you for taking the time to get to know Nicole and Emily. But you know what? Picasso has a lot more products. Please reach out to your local CTAC sales rep and they can walk you through all the great products that Picasso has to offer.
Hello everybody, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.